How to use Midjourney, AI text-to-image generator, a beginner's guide. To actually use Midjourney, you have to go to discord.com and then open your Discord account. If you don't have one, just simply sign up and make an account. Once you've made your account or opened it, go to the left side of your screen and then select Explore Discoverable Servers, this icon. Then in the search bar, just simply search Midjourney. Then select this server. Once you have opened it, just click Join Midjourney in the upper portion of your screen, like this one here. Just follow the next steps that will be given so you can join the server. It will even ask you to do this. Once you have joined the server, the first thing that you have to do is actually go to a new tab and then search for midjourney.com. Once that you are here, just simply sign up. After that, it will open this new page. And since we are open in the Discord, we joined the Discord server already, we can authorize this. Just read through this, and once you are done, just click Authorize. Now, this is your Midjourney account, and you will be able to see your generated image here in the bottom part. But to actually use this, we have to purchase a plan. It is a paid subscription. Just click Purchase Plan, and here we have a yearly billing and a monthly billing. Of course, yearly billing has a discount. Here it is 20% discount. And just read through their differences. For now, I will select to subscribe in the basic plan. Once you have your subscription, we can actually access these newbie servers. You can look through them and see a lot of people using it. Now, in all of this scrolling and all these creations, you will be able to see a Midjourney bot. You can actually select this and simply send a message so you can access it. Now, to actually use Midjourney and generate an image for yourself, all you have to do is type in the chat box /imagine space prompt and then write your prompt that you would like to generate the image for. And once an image is generated, just click U1, U2, U3, or U4 to download the image. And it will sometimes lead you to a link, and just simply click it and you will be able to save your image here. And that's it. Just simply repeat the steps and then just navigate through that so you can discover things for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.